Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got something a little bit different for you guys. We are going to be looking at Brandon's campervan build. I'm not sure what we're working on today, but it should be pretty cool. I'm excited for you guys to see his build because he's done just a ton of work to the van. I know it's an old Chevy, kind of like cargo working van. He ended up picking up, I think, in Florida. I'm not sure, but I'll let him tell about it a little bit once we get there. But yeah, that's what we're doing today. Let's do it. All right, Brandon's got interesting workspace. He's working out of his cousin's garage. All right, I think the van's right around the corner here. Oh, there it is. Now you guys see what I'm talking about. Alright, here is the camper van and Brandon. Alright, Brandon, what is up with this build? What is it taking to get to this point?
Oh, it's taken everything. It started with not much, but come a long way. Why don't I just show you?
Alright, let's see it.
Pardon the bit of a mess, it's still a work in progress.
Dude, this is legit. This is way different than when I last saw it.
Oh yeah, I think you last saw it, it was just primer and rust.
Yeah, there wasn't a floor in here, there wasn't literally anything in here. And you got the electrical done, you got
the nice puck lights on the ceiling with the tongue and groove board stained. Got a fan over there. Still waiting on a part for it though.
Okay. Yeah, this is nice.
Yeah. Well, what should I? We got a countertop. Just finished that a few days ago.
Yeah, cooking some food on there. Got a sink.
Yeah, that round sinkhole was pretty tough, but I think it turned out pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah. So.
Let's see it. Yeah. Did you already do the plumbing?
Yeah, so over here we got all our electrical switches. They come out on the side. Then we got our water system. This goes into the 5-gallon jug I've got. Feeds into the water pump, goes up through the faucet, and then drains back out. All the electrical stuff's kind of hiding under there. In here we got kind of like kitchen storage or whatever you really need to fit in there.
Yeah.
Not really sure what I'm gonna need yet. Nice big drawer though. Here's for the shoes and stuff. Right now I've just got extra paintbrushes and stuff in here.
Yeah.
Here we've got the kind of wardrobe area. So 2 shelves. Sorry, this shelf's out right now because I was working on it. This is the same idea.
Okay. Yeah, no, you got a good amount of storage in here.
Yeah, there's plenty of space for
it should be good for, weekend trips. Or even something longer too.
You want to see the back?
Yeah, let's see it.
Around back we got a nice dirty spare tire.
And is that stock?
No, this is not stock, so this is an aftermarket tire carrier.
Okay, cool.
This van does not have tire storage underneath, so you need to find some way to mount it, because there's no room inside, so this is the best option for me. Inside, we've got a little bit of an electrical area over here if you need to plug in some lights for the camping trip, whatever. And then down here we've got kind of like a little garage space. It's just open space. Like right now I've got a little fire extinguisher and jumper cables. Got the same flooring, but I've got the blanket down to protect it.
Yeah.
And if I need to plug in, charge up my battery system. I got this right here.
That's nice. So you have an onboard battery system then?
Yeah. That was a trip to build.
Yeah, I'm sure.
It seems to be working well. All my water pump, my inverter, all the lights, chargers, everything works great. So
nice, dude.
Pretty happy with how it turned out. Learning electrical is not easy.
Yeah, especially with DC. I mean, AC, well actually I've never really worked with AC, but DC, I don't know.
kind of confusing.
You either get it or you don't, I feel like. But
if you do this, you'll learn a lot.
yeah.
Yes, pardon all the tools, still a work in progress. One thing that I've been neglecting a lot is the front of the van because it's kind of functional. Right now it's just got ratty seats, ratty dash.
Oh yeah.
And
dude, I'm loving the no door panel look.
yeah, the door panels is classy.
Yeah, yeah, that's good.
Too.
Did you put new speakers in it though?
Oh yeah, I did. It bumps now.
There you go.
I did that before I did the door panels because that's more important to me.
Right, right.
But we're gonna do the carpet in here today.
Okay.
Put some kind of insulation layer, like a nice carpet backing, and then actual carpet. And we're also gonna do the headliner. So I got my lights kind of taped up right now. I think they're all seated.
Okay. All right. Cool.
Better to see it.
No, not the Coke. Nah, we'll let her settle.
At least it wasn't this one. This one wouldn't have fared too well.
We'll let her settle down. Brandon, you took out this whole engine, took out the trans, had it pretty much. I forget what the term is. Well, yeah, I know rebuild, but you had like the cylinders bored, machine down, everything.
Funny thing for car people out there, when I tore apart the engine, I found out the passenger side cylinder head had no valve stem seals on it, which means that it was just burning copious amounts of oil. And I just didn't know it ran okay. But
that's wild.
When I pulled the engine and found that out.
Alright, let's see this.
Yeah. So yeah, there's the engine.
Dude.
Pardon my little oil leak. That's just the gauge.
That's not that bad.
It leaks out real slow. I'm gonna fix it one of these days. I'm sorry now. Sadly my paint is burning off.
Aww.
But such is how these things go.
Yeah. Oh, it looks good though. This is a 6-cylinder? 4-cylinder?
6-cylinder.
Okay.
Not as cool, but better on gas.
Right.
Yeah,
and
so
when you're driving far, that's important.
Yeah. So this transmission got rebuilt. I didn't want to mess with that, but that was the whole reason I rebuilt the engine. I painted the van, got it looking nice, and then the first drive I took it on after painting it, I was on the highway and just lost all power. And it was flashing the engine light at me. Found out the transmission just gave up on me, so I had to pull it out to get it rebuilt. And I was like, well, engine should probably be done. And that's how we got a pretty close to new engine and transmission setup.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, I mean, everything from the distributor to coils to breather to I don't know, a lot of engine internals like new pistons, cylinders were
really?
New bearings, yeah.
Well, there you go. Well, it should last you a while now.
Yeah, it runs good.
It really should.
It's nice here. Let me look at the keys.
Start this baby up. Always does. Yeah, it's like instantaneous.
Yeah, it's like better than my other cars are.
Yeah.
It's kind of cool.
And what year is this?
97.
97. Oh, it's a Dodge. Oh, I thought it was a Chevy. Okay, it's a Dodge. Okay.
Dodge. Yeah, there's not many of these. Well, they're around, but not many people drive these.
Oh, okay. And how many miles are on it?
Unknown.
Unknown.
It said 122,000 for a long, long time. Could be close to 300,000 or something. Who knows?
Yeah. Well, now she's brand new.
Yes.
Okay.
Stuff I got from my specialty automotive upholstery store.
Okay.
I think this is the headliner.
All right, so we got the headliner, possibly.
Then we have the insulated carpet backing.
Oh.
And the carpet itself.
That looks nice.
Yeah, so it's got this.
I would put that in my car.
Like insulation on it too.
Yeah.
Which would be nice for the heat because the engine's right there.
Yeah.
And this is the carpet. Oh yeah, that's nice. I didn't even look at it.
That's actually really nice.
I want to use some contact cement. Have you ever used contact cement?
Not a ton, no.
It's pretty sweet in that it's like the same thing as like spray adhesive where you like roll it down or like spray it down or whatever.
Okay.
Give it like 10-15 minutes, and it's really tacky after that. And as
Uh.
soon as you press it, it'll stay.
Oh,
So,
okay.
like, it's like the craziest stuff. Like if you have, something on the ceiling, you put a little like goop of it up there, and you have like a 10-pound weight, and like push on it, you might actually get it to stick up there. Because like as soon as it grabs, it's like full strength.
Huh.
It's absurd.
Okay, I don't think I've worked with that before, but it sounds like something I should be working with.
Yeah, it's super nice to have.
That's how I'll put a spoiler on the Sonic.
Yeah.
No, so actually, alright, channel, I might actually be doing a spoiler on the Sonic. That is undetermined yet, but I'm not gonna full rice it out though. They have like this real like low profile
hatchbacks just need like a lip.
Yeah, it's a real like low profile like carbon fiber.
Is it carbon fiber?
It's so cool. It's so cool. We're gonna install the carpet and the headliner today.
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. We got the carpet pretty much in here. Just down to the last little bit, but so far it is looking pretty crispy. Not too bad. So guys, we got Brandon's carpet installed. It actually wasn't too bad, and it actually looks pretty good. Overall, like, just me, I was like blown away by Brandon's like build and everything. I did not know it was like this nice. I don't know, pretty hyped by it.
Excited to borrow it soon?
I am excited to borrow it if that does happen. I will be very excited about that. Did you name your car or the van yet?
Oh yeah, it's Big Blue.
Oh, Big Blue. Okay, that's all right. That's a good name. All right, but thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. Helps me out a ton. And yeah, see you in the next video. Peace.